Yeah, so there's a lot of different things that have come onto my plate as new different applications are emerging in our market. One of the most interesting calls I received was so insect farming for alternative protein sources. So they're actually taking dry ice to euthanize crickets and black soldier flies of all things, and they're actually packaging those for human consumption so that, as everybody knows, with our growing population, they're having to find alternative protein sources. And so this has been a really big industry that was pretty fascinating to me when I heard about it. But some of these facilities that are processing these crickets and different insects is huge now, as well as emergency aid drone delivery. That is definitely in its infant stages, I would say, but I think it is something that's going to grow a lot. There's actually a local drone delivery company here to Charlotte that we've worked with a few times, where they're actually putting dry ice in those drones for medical supplies as well as perishable food, flying them into disaster relief areas. When the floods came here in North Carolina in the foothills, that was something that was really cool to see, where they couldn't get people on foot in the mountainous areas to deliver. A big one was insulin, where people, if you can't have it, you can't survive. And so just getting in there, it's a lot more efficient than using, a helicopter coming in or something like that, or even getting people on foot backpacking up there. So the drone delivery has been pretty fascinating as well. And that seems to be a big emerging market for us as well.